So first, snake case are recommended in Python. All letters lowercase, words separated by underscores, or all letters are small. Second, camel case. First word lowercase, subsequent words capitalized. Comment in JavaScript, not recommended in Python. So this is an example of snake case. All letters are small, like this. Username equals Alice. User age equals 30. Total score equals 95.5. So the first letter and the last letter is always small. So we have an example of camel case. Username equals double quote Bob double quote. User age equals 25. Total score equals 89.5. So the first letter are smallest and the subsequent letter or words are capitalized. And the last one, Pascal skill or aka upper camel case. Each word starts with a uppercase letter or big letters or capitalized, typically used for class names in Python. So this is an example of Pascal's case. Each first words are capital, like this. Username. The user is the first letter is capitalized and the second words are capitalized only. Always capitalize the first letter of your example code.